Okay, real talk. Have you ever stood in the middle of the kitchen, holding a toddler on one arm and half folded pile of laundry on the other arm, and thought to yourself, there gotta be a better way to make money than handling this chaos? You're in the right place. I'm Havanli, a mother, a real estate investor, and a firm believer if you can survive the morning drop off with your sanity, you can figure out ways to invest in real estate. This isn't going to be a lecture, it's a crash course for busy and brilliant supermoms who want more freedom, more income, and more confidence. No pressure, no profession, no boring financial talk in less than 15 minutes. If real estate investing is your thing in 2025, what kind of investor you are naturally good at and what deal would have worked for you, whether you are an all-in type or I'll do this in my yoga pants on the couch kind of mom. Let's get to it. Let's start with the big juicy question. Do I even have time and energy for this? Short answer, you don't need a ton of either. You just need to shift how you see things. Have you ever negotiated with a toddler over screen time, or survived a 3 hours birthday party at Chuck E. Cheese, or juggling 14 tabs while driving carpool? Congrats! You have already got the mental stamina for real estate investing, because real estate isn't something intimidating like Wall Street bro kind of thing. It's real life stuff. It's problem solving, communicating, and making decisions. 3 things that moms do daily while sleep deprived. Here's the magic. You get to choose a style that works for your life. You can be hands-on, flipping houses like your own HGTV moment, or you can take a more passive approach, putting your money to work while catching up on your sleep. I'm going to walk you through both. Just stay open, curious. Remember, no one is asking you to commit today. We are just exploring. Let's talk about why you've been considering real estate investing, because behind every real estate investor, there is a goal that matters. It's never just about money. It's about what money can unlock. So here are a few real estate supermoms profiles. Which one feels more like you? The monthly freedom seeker. You love a little extra cash each month for maybe paying bills, babysitters, or those impulse Amazon buys that sometimes make life a little easier. If that is you, you are likely a rental investor in the making. Consistent income, no drama, and option to grow. The future focus builder. You think 10 years ahead. College fund, retirement, and maybe leaving something behind for the kiddos. You would vibe with long-term buy and hold in a growing area. The creative hustler. You like a project and you like a challenge. You're the type that when you drive by a neighborhood and you see some houses, you're like, ooh, I can make that front porch gorgeous. You may like to flip homes and maybe wholesaling if you want to get into something that requires no big amount of capital up front. So now that you know your real estate goal, what should you be looking for? Let's keep it simple. If you're looking for a monthly cash flow, let's start small. An affordable single-family home or a duplex, low maintenance, think livable, and in demand. These are your steady income properties. If you want long-term growth, look for areas that are expanding, maybe a suburbs with a Costco coming soon, or in a city that add in a lot of new tech jobs. Buy, hold, and let time and appreciation do its thing. If you're more like looking for a flip and creative deal, look for ugly properties that you can come in and make it prettier. Those flaws of like layout, ugly kitchen, those are gold in the mine. Now, always remember to budget in for a surprise. Just like toddlers, houses have moved. Open Zillow or Redfin tonight and just browse around properties in your area or nearby city. Just like shopping, instead of for clothes and jewelries, you are looking at properties. And ask yourself, can this help me hit my goal? You don't need to know everything. You just need to stay curious. And if this really excites you, but feeling overwhelmed, I get it. I was there too. And that's why I created something to walk mom like us to all of this at our own pace. This is not a sales pitch. It's a resource. If you ever feel like this is the right time, you know where to find it. All right, let's take a deep breath, Supermoms. You did something incredible today. You took 15 minutes for you to explore options that seriously could shift your future. Let's recap. You now know if real estate investing is for you. You found a goal that you feel aligned, and you know what kind of property that will help you to hit those goals. This isn't about the hustle culture or doing the most. This is about building options, stability, and confidence. So if this lit a spark, let it burn. Keep learning, keep looking. And at some point, if you feel like you need a step-by-step roadmap, I got something that helped a lot of other moms get started when you are ready. In the meantime, I love to hear from you. Drop a comment or DM me, what is your real estate goal for this year? And don't forget to follow on podcast or subscribe to YouTube, because this is just the beginning. You are doing amazing, Supermoms. Let's keep going.